Christmas! Our chin-chin is ready. But one must wait, let me show you so that you see it very well. Can you see it? You're not seeing it. I'm coming. You're not seeing it very well. Okay, let me show you. Come and see it. Can you see it? It's so yummy. This is how I like it. It's so sweet, honestly. Very good. And crunchy. I need to use a soft one. Our chin-chin is set. Chicken, everything is set for the Christmas. And another thing that is remaining for you is to get your one plot of Banana Island. Did you hear what I tell you? I'm serious. Call me 0903429965 so that you get your one plot of Banana Island. It's just 6 million naira. It's located at off Odili Road, Port Harcourt Rivers State, Nigeria. Wherever you are, come and get it. That is the new Port Harcourt Banana Island. If your money no reach Lagos own again, come buy Port Harcourt own, because by this time next year, in the next 2-3 years, you won't get it for 25 million. But right now, it's 6 million naira. And I'm waiting for your call so that you can get yourself a Christmas and a New Year gift that will be existing in the next 10, 20 to 100 years coming. Wouldn't that be nice? It's will. So, enjoy your Christmas. You will see me soon again. Come on, test it. So, enjoy your Christmas.